Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a face serum that I've been using lately and I've been loving it. And I get this question a lot, which face serum to use, and there is a lot of face serum available: vitamin E, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, collagen. Which one to use? I'm going to discuss about that in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my further videos. Now let's get started. And this is the serum that I've been using. This one is from Ecte. It is 24 karat gold face serum with vitamin C and collagen booster. It also contains gold extract, and this one helps to soften and brighten our skin tone, diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkle. It contains collagen, so it helps to tighten and brighten our skin tone. It also has vitamin C, which has antioxidant properties, so it helps to repair our skin. And it also contains hyaluronic acid, which helps to moisturize and to make our skin hydrate. And it also has vitamin E, which helps to get rid of the free radicals, the toxins out of our skin. And it contains niacinamide. We all know it helps to repair and helps to build new cells in our skin. So these are the ingredients that is there in this face serum, and I'm going to show you how I use it. I usually apply this at night because all these ingredients can react to sun, and if you use it in the morning, make sure that you apply a good sunscreen with SPF of 60 or 50. And now I have already washed my face. Now I am going to use my rose water toner. You all know that I love toner. Toner is one of my skincare routine that I usually follow. After washing my face, I apply toner, and now I am just going to let it completely absorb into my skin. And my next step is to apply this serum, and this is how the packaging looks like. It is very sturdy. It comes in a pump bottle. It's hygienic also. It's plastic, but it looks luxurious and sturdy. And I'm just going to dot this all over my face, like 4 to 5 dots. And I'm gently spreading it all over my face using my fingers. Be very gentle, don't pull and drag. And then using tapping motion, pat it into your skin so that it is nicely absorbed. And as you all know, I have extremely oily skin, and for my skin I don't apply another moisturizer top of it. This one is more than enough. It's moisturizing for me. But if you have dry skin, you have to apply a moisturizer after using the serum so that your skin has that good hydration. Especially at night time, you must make sure that your skin is completely hydrated. And after applying this serum, you can see the glow on my skin. Not only after applying, even the next day you can see the glow, because it contains pure gold extract. And such serum would cost a lot, but this one, I feel, for the properties it contains and for the ingredients and the effect that it gives, this one is a much affordable one. And this is how the serum looks up close. You can see the gold extract in it. It is very fine particle. You cannot like see it's like glittering, but it gives that glow and subtle shine on your skin. And you can also use this under your makeup so that it gives you a dewy and glowy finish. And I'm just showing my hand in sunlight so that you can see the natural effect that it gives. The area which I've applied looks very healthy and moisturized, and the area which I haven't applied is dry. So you can see the result live. And I hope you like this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my further videos. I'll see you next time. Take care guys. Bye.